Hello, Captain Medina here, and I am recording a video here to show you how to save your courses into your resources. So the first thing you would need to do is in resources, you would need to have a folder created or a collection. So you click right here, it says add collection, and then you give your collection a name. So that's the first thing you need to do. Now the second thing you need to do is you want to do this today before the courses get archived. You can do it later if you wanted to. You go to your list of courses. So if you click on Wabasha Kellogg here, course dashboard, it will take you to your list of courses. And so I'm going to go to my film studies course first. And it says here it'll end on January 2nd. So after January 2nd, everything will be archived. But right here under options, there is a option that says save course to resources. So if I click on that, and then it says which collection, so then I find the collection I created, film studies, and you can put it in a folder if you want, and I usually don't, and then I click submit. And then what that does is it copies all my folders and everything over into resources. So that way, when I'm in a new course, like let's say I'm going to have film studies again this spring, which I'm not, but let's say I'm going to. I go to the scroll here. It says right here, Film Studies Period 4 added by you January 9th. And then I can open that up, and then I have all of my work that I did, assignments and things like that, so then I can copy or add to course, add those things to my new course. So that's one thing you could do before your courses disappear today, is you could add them to your resources so that you have access to them again. So I'll show you one more time how to do that. So you go again to the Wabasha Kellogg link here, click on Course Dashboard, and then scroll down to your course. So I want to have my mythology course, for example. I want to add that to resources, save to resources, find your resource. I'm going to put in mythology and submit. So again, you need to create folders in order to do that. Another thing you can do is you'll notice that all your new courses are here, and if you have courses you don't want or courses you want to reorganize, click right here where it says My Courses, and then you can see that it has your course listing, and you can also look at your archive courses. So any courses you've taught before, if you don't save them to your resources, they're going to be in here. But there is a place where we can reorder courses right here, reorder courses. So before it was listed in a different way, but right here is where you can reorder courses. So at this point, this is where you can move your courses around and put the ones that you don't want to appear on your main frame. So your main frame will list, like, I think 9 courses, and then everything else will be listed in the course drop down. So remember, you're going to keep, don't delete this this course here, but you can probably put it at the bottom if you didn't want to see it. But that's a great place for resources. That's where you can also find the folders for this quarter as well, which I'll show you next. But that's how you reorder courses. You can also, on this course, My Courses here, you can delete a course. So let's say you don't want the class of 2020, you go over here, click delete, and then the course will be gone. If you accidentally delete a course that you weren't supposed to, you can go to your deleted courses here, and then you can undelete if you want to, restore them. So those are some quick tips here, things you could do on Schoology with the new view. The other thing I was going to show you, is if you wanted to copy information from the Falcon Academy to your new courses. So you go to the Falcon Academy, and we have here the 2018-19 second semester. So if you click into that, there's 2 folders. The third quarter has all the dates, and the fourth quarter has all the dates. So you can just click on this gear here and copy to course, where you select your course that you want to copy it to. And same thing with the fourth quarter, is you just copy to course and find the course copy folder. So those are some things you can do. If you have any questions, just let me know. But that was a quick video for you, just some reviews, where to find the courses, how to reorganize them, deleting them, saving your course information into your resources. Again, you just click on Options, Save Course to Resources, find the folder that you want them to go in, and it's done. It's much easier than trying to click into the courses, I think. And that's under Resources, so you can create your folders under Resources. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Happy New Year.